Good morning, it's Deb from Bowl Me Over, and today I wanted to welcome you to my kitchen and to show you how easy it is to make an extraordinary cake using a box mix and how to make it extra special. The cake we're going to bake today is called a Better Than Sex cake. It's also known as a Heath Bar cake, a millionaire cake. It is incredible. If you love chocolate, if you love caramel, whipped cream, Heath bars, you're gonna like this cake. And if you stick around to the very end, I'm gonna show you all of my tricks and tips that allow me to take an ordinary cake box mix and turn it into an extraordinary cake, just like what you'd see at the bakery. Thanks for watching my little video there. See how easy this is to make? We we ate on that cake for like, I don't know, 5 days, and then I carefully cut it up and I froze it because I wasn't about to throw it away, although, you know, nothing goes to waste in my house, only to waste, if you know what I mean. But anyway, if you want to take an ordinary cake mix, and it doesn't matter if it's Betty Crocker or Pillsbury or whatever cake mix you have, and turn it into extraordinary, these are my tips. You know, here at the top where it talks about water, 1 1/4 cups water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Instead of water, I want you to substitute milk or 1/2 and 1/2. Instead of vegetable oil, use butter. And if it calls for 3 eggs, put in 1 more. It makes for the best crumb, it makes for a moist, delicious cake, and it takes it right over the top. But if you go, Deb, I don't have a Betty Crocker mix, mine is Pillsbury. You can do that with Pillsbury too. This one calls for 1 cup of water, so I'd substitute 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and again, 3 whole eggs. Make it 4. It just takes it right over the top. So I hope you give this wonderful cake recipe a try. It's perfect for potlucks. It's perfect for parties. It's rich, indulgent, moist. Best if made ahead, so you know that's a plus already. So anyway, enjoy the recipe. I really think you will.